Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to earn money on YouTube without showing your face. So one of the easiest ways for us to actually earn money on YouTube by posting on the YouTube application is to utilize the YouTube Shorts application or the YouTube Shorts feature. So to do this, all we need to do is basically launch the YouTube application, and you could actually go and tap on the plus icon to post our own shorts directly on here, of course. One last thing we could also do is to avail or to join the YouTube Reels program. So this is actually a program wherein we could actually join for us to earn money, some YouTube resources, and monetization features as well. But we do have to, of course, be eligible for this. And the eligible area performance for this is to have at least 4,000 views within the last month, 90 days, and 1,000 subscribers or more. Now, by doing so, the specific content that you should post on there without showing your face, you can actually go in and repurpose content that you see that is going viral on the YouTube Shorts application and repurpose that. You could also add your own voiceover, commentary, or just edit it however you like, and make your viewers engage with you so that you're gonna build a following and earn money through that. That's just a general idea of what you guys can do on YouTube Short. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.